Hi, meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your CNY Central First Alert weather forecast. And for today, we're expecting a beautiful day. As expected before, we knew today'd be sunny. You know, if you remember earlier this week, I had forecasted a high of 50 on this day, and then I backed off into the lower 40s because we were a little nervous about clouds and we were a little nervous about the winds being more easterly. Well, now guess what? It's 42 as of 11 a.m. and the wind is southeast. If the wind stays southeast, which is looking more likely now, and we stay sunny the whole day, which is looking more likely now, we might just grab 50 again. It's, you know, this weather pattern is just so funky. I've upped it from 45 to 48 for a high, maybe 50. 45 to 50 is probably going to be a good range for Syracuse, elsewhere in the low to mid 40s. And then we have some rain on the way, and I do have an update for you with respect to how that looks. It is an enjoyable afternoon, and then it's downright raw later tonight and through Thursday. Some quick-hitting snow on the way for Friday morning in spurts, one in the morning at some point, and then another one later in the afternoon, evening, and overnight with squalls eventually, and then notably cold this weekend with more squalls and flurries. So let's get to it. It is a very, very pleasant afternoon. A wealth of sun continues midday. We'll throw in some high, thin clouds to finish the afternoon to make for a very pretty sunset. And we should be dry right through dinner time. In fact, I don't expect any rain even in the viewing area until maybe 8, 9 o'clock on the southwest skirts here, if you watch right there, and then about 11 midnight there, and then 2 a.m. up north. I'm feeling more confident now about the forecast we had earlier. If you recall, we had mentioned most areas 81 west should be primarily or almost entirely rain. Now, is it possible at the start of this or during the intense precipitation that it might be a little sleet or freezing rain? Yes. But more likely than not, for the majority of the area that I just outlined and all points west, this is all wet. Is it gross, raw, unpleasant? You betcha. You're out late tonight, early tomorrow morning. It's gonna stink. I mean, it's just gonna be wet, 34. Wind of 15 to 30, making it feel like 25, and it's raining. That's not fun to be outside in. Now, we still have an opportunity for the far eastern areas and northeastern areas to have some sleet, freezing rain, and snow mixed in. Notice the pink there. Now, this is probably limited to places like Herkimer, Little Falls, Old Forge, maybe Boonville, eastern Lewis County, and up in the Adirondacks that you get that wintry mix. That is now a small slice of the viewing area. The rest of the area is just raw. The whole morning is raining, and the afternoon is more misty and drizzly versus steady rain, but it's still, Thursday evening, some drizzle. And then here comes number one problem with snow. It's either going to happen mid-morning or near the sunrise hours. Not sure of the exact timing, but there will be a rain to quick burst of snow at that point, and then late in the afternoon and evening with strong west to southwest winds, we're going to have a huge plume of lake effect snow east of the lake and snow showers and flurries elsewhere. That'll make for some tricky commute and some accumulation. Total sunshine today is 90%. Total sunshine Thursday and Friday is little to zero. The threat for precipitation very high tonight and tomorrow, and high for Friday and Saturday as well, with bouts of snow flurries and snow showers. Here's your 7-day forecast. You can find more on our website and interact with us on Facebook, CNY Central.